Here are the latest price moves for the SafeMoon SWAP partners. This is for August 28th, 2022. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Everything I'm sharing is my own opinion. It's my own research. I highly encourage you to go do your own research. And with that being said, let's go ahead and dive on into the news. First up here, we can see with SafeMoon, it has a volume of $173,000. It is up 1.46% in the last 24 hours with a market cap of $223 million. It has had 2 previous days of red candles, although volume is looking quite low. And just overall, we've been going into quite a bit of a dry spell here and waiting to see what happens next. You guys just saw a moment ago. I'll go ahead and bring that back up. Bitcoin is also down a tad bit, hanging right around 19,900. Being below that $20,000 range is definitely making a lot of people kind of on edge, waiting to see what's going to be happening next. Is it going to make a strong run up? Is it going to have a further crash down? We have to wait and see. Moving on to PINU. PINU not looking great right now. It is having a further decline. It has had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days in a row, looking like it might be the 7th day in a row of red. And this is $1,200 worth of trading volume, down 5.2% in the last 24 hours. Moving on to MFX. It did have a red candle yesterday, looking like it might close out in the green today, but volume is very low, $300, up 2.1%, 2.11% in the last 24 hours. Then we have Shinja having 2 red days in a row, showing barely signs of green, also very low volume, $99, and it's not even showing a change in the last 24-hour period. There's only 1 trade transaction showing up on the order books for that one. Glow token, Glow having 2 red days, although the second day previous, it actually balanced out essentially right in the neutral zone. Technically in the red, but pretty darn close to being neutral. As far as for the day today, it is showing signs of green, $3,200 worth of volume, up 3.28% in the last 24 hours, hanging out above $1 million. On to Sale. Sale had a green day yesterday. Day before, bit of a hit there, showing a little bit of signs of red today. Extremely low volume, $12 worth value there. And same thing, 0% for the last 24 hours. This is not even showing any trades on August 28th. Evergrow coin, having 2 red drops in a row. Green day going on today. $3,500 worth of trading volume, up 3.91% in the last 24 hours. Still has a nice market cap, sitting at $66 million. On to Affinity. They had 2 red days in a row themselves, and green candle showing up for the day today. And $1,400 worth of trading volume, up 1.16% in the last 24 hours. Crypt Cards. A bit of a consolidated space. It had a green day yesterday, showing further signs of red, though, following up from a previous day, 2 days ago, I should rather say. So a little bit of a drop there. It is down 4.84% in the last 24 hours, $7,200 worth of trading volume. On to Grove token. It is also in a consolidated space, showing some green signs today, up 13.21%. That is $31,000 worth of trading volume. Potherium, with only $80 worth of trading volume, showing signs of closing out possibly in the green today, although yesterday was in the red. It is technically down 0.38% compared to 24 hours ago. Reflex Finance showing 3 days in a row of red, 4th day potentially closing out in the red with volume of $890, down 1.17%. Empire token having 3 days in a row of red, showing a little bit of signs of green here. But this is another project that has extremely low volume, only $16 worth. No trade activity taking place for August 28th. Docs, no trade activity for August 28th. Volume not available. It says this pair has very little liquidity and no activity at all going on right here. Immortal, we have 2 days. 1 day yesterday of green, another day today looking pretty good. The day before, we do have this big red candle on August 26th showing a bit of a drop there. But again, remember, volume for these we've been seeing it's been really low. It's $130 worth of trading volume, 2.25% up in the last 24 hours. Rhythm had a nice little push up yesterday, had a further pullback though during the course of the same day. Substantial amount of volume in comparison to other trading days we've seen with this project. However, the reality is $110 worth of trading volume in the last 24 hours, 0.59% up in the last 24 hours. 2 trades taken place on August 28th. Live Crypto Party seen further bleed off, has had 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row of red, potentially a 5th day, with $470 worth of trading volume, down 3.08% in the last 24 hours. Then we move on to Blockbuster Tech. Blockbuster Tech, on the daily perspective, we do have 2 red days in a row. This is after it finally opened up for trading once again. The previous day over here, August 14th, obviously there's a big gap that took place there. So August 26th saw a bit of a rise up, then it came back down. Next day, August 27th, further drop down. But for August 28th, it is showing signs of closing out in the green, up 0.16% compared to 24 hours ago, with $280,000 worth of trading volume. And then we have Croge. Croge having 2 days closed out in the red. 3rd day looking like it may close out in the red. $1,800 worth of trading volume, down 2.85% in the last 24 hours. And that's what I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoy your weekend. Thank you very much to my Patreon supporters. A double shout out thank you to WeLoveSafeMoon.com, Murat Shaker, Victor Vegas, SafeMoon Oz for being higher level patrons. Thank you to my YouTube members for your support as well. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up, like button. God bless. We will see you in the next episode.